at the bottom.
Beautiful drawing. What is that, Hanaika?
It's an angel to be that. It's a pink. It's a white.
It's a Y? Oh, good job, Hanaika.
Look, at the design. At the design. Look, the design.
Whoa. And we're talking about the Holy Spirit, right? That's what you think it's about. His family. That's so cute. Good job. Yeah, you can say your name. Okay,
See? See?
yes! Good job! Is that a Y or a V?
A design. I don't know how.
Oh, look at that. What is that? What do you do in the puddles? What do you do in the puddles? Do you like jumping in the puddles?
Yeah.
All right. So spring is coming. So spring is coming up, and we are going to be happy for spring. All right. So let's look and see. Spring brings windy weather.
You can make these stuff bigger.
Yes, it makes things bigger.
Look at it. Wait.
One. Yellow? Oh, wow. She said yellow. Very good, Iman. Good job. So we give Iman a yellow. Look.
Make it some more. Make it some
Yeah.
more.
Okay? Put the eyes here. See? Put the other one. I'm going to give you some more glue. All right. All right, just here. Leave it in the tree. If anybody needs any more glue, you let me know. Josiah, you have enough glue? Everybody has enough glue? Put the glue all over Amari. All right, guys, it's time for show and what time is it? Time for show and tell. And some of our friends bought things here. Come here. Come right here, Miss. That is water. What's that? What's that? Oh, is that your favorite ball?
Yeah.
What do you do with the ball?
On the ball, I go on the ball.
Oh, you bounce the ball?
Yeah.
Do you kick it sometimes? You love kicking it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Guys, let's give her a big clap. Thank you, Michael. Good job. You're a blue knight. He said it's a blue knight. And who's a blue knight? What's that in your hand? You carry the sword. And what is this? Armor. Okay, we have Micah. Come on, Micah. Tell your friends about what you bought. Micah.
I got this here.
What? Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that? Whoa!
Whoa! Good job. Tell your friends what you bought. What is so special about your teaching?
I put on my lap.
Okay. Alright. And it's pretty. You have so many pretty colors.
From the bottom.
Oh, do you hear where she got it from? The bowling place in India. Wow. So it means that Zoe went to visit India and Zoe remembered to pick up something that's special. That's cool, Zoe. Let's look at it again, guys. Oh, wow. It's beautiful, Zoe. I see why you love it. Is that all you have? Do you have anything else? What's that? An Indian turtle. You want to hold it up so Miss Val can get a picture of your Indian turtle? Wow, that's a cute turtle.
And let's say thank you to our friend Amari.
Thank you, Mommy.